You never seen anything like this?
No, what the?
Potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists and will persist. Only an alert and knowledgeable citizen can compel with our peaceful methods. So
Let's go. This turned out way cleaner. Holy shit.
You gotta hide that shit, bro. You can't have that.
See, this is why I brought it to you. Finally gonna answer the question of how much does the Comanche weigh? And then we should be able to figure out front to back. I think the rear end's gonna be pretty light. All right, Vern, what's your guess?
1,800.
1,800 total? I'm gonna go with 2,400.
Now, what's your guess on weight? What's your guess how much that weighs? We're making a bet. Loser has to buy one.
1,800.
What did I guess?
1,800?
Can't take 819. I already did.
I can't take 1,800.
I already guessed 18. You're third in
What
line,
would you
bud.
guess?
24.
1,850. No.
After trying to push it on the scales. What you got here?
I'm gonna readjust it to 18. What did you guess?
I guess 24.
What a jerk. Holy! That's heavier than I thought. Wow.
That is pretty good guess though.
2375.
Does it give you front back?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 1,000 pounds on the rear, roughly.
That's because that hitch.
Yeah, the the hitch is weighing her down. And then we got about 1,400 on the front. I think a stock 12 valve block is like 1,300 pounds.
Goes up.
Yeah. Well, block head, manifold. Well, I think it's time for a new battery because we're gonna have to jump start it. Well, typical Comanche, battery's dead. So, I'm gonna charge it up, or Landon's bringing a battery over, I guess. The seat's barely on. Everybody that rides it's like, what the hell? We'll see if he can find a place to flip around though, because he's gonna have to find a big parking lot. So if you guys don't know, Landon is actually the guy that built my original Z, the gray Z, the supercharged one, and he did it as a giveaway, which was super sick. I didn't win it, but I found it for sale, so I hurried and bought it. I gotta give a special thanks to RSK and Vern. Like he killed it. After you guys see everything that's done to it, hopefully it performs a little better. He did that scoop in the front for the radiator, going up Sand Mountain, pulling a trailer. Hopefully it gets all the airflow it needs. Getting a little worried though, because it's been a minute and Landon's not back. He may have just kept it. Hopefully I can take his truck in as payment. We got this guy even checking it out. What do you think of it?
Well, well, you can't turn. Turning radius is not safe at all.
Yeah.
And then if you do get on it, second gear hits hard. Trying to make the turn turning out, you almost need like another road to turn. And you're turning like this, but the wheels really aren't. And then they jump and skip.
Yeah.
So you're driving the whole time and you're like, is the tie rod hitting? And then you do hit the back brakes after it gets down. Feels good, but not safe at all.
Yeah.
The back brakes start hopping. And you're like, well, I want to have fun, but I'm like, I don't want to die either. But it's actually pretty neat.
Now with a trailer on the back, it'll be way better, right?
Trailer full Banshees. The radius. We need to figure out the turn.
Yeah, it needs like a multiplier in here.
My hat's off to you to ride at the dunes. To try that.
I appreciate it.
Coming down the hill, yeah, nobody understands that. Oh,
Yeah.
no.
And that's coming from a legend.
It's got to be sketchy in the sand and going up, praying to God something doesn't come apart. And then I can only imagine going down, dude.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, look how slow he's going. What? No, like you said.
Come ride it.
We'll try it. We'll try it, badass.
Yeah. Alright, we got Vern on it. Look at that hitch. Trailer hitch is sick. So I gotta give a special shout out to Rebel Style Kustoms. They killed it with everything on this. Let's walk through everything they did for us. So Vern built this super sick hitch. I'm so happy he did it. What I was coming up with was like some boxy, goofy design. The guy just knows how to fabricate. So glad I handed that off to him. I can't do any tin work, especially at this quality level. So Vern did that. He got the gauge cluster all dialed in. No more dorky looking thing with all the wires hanging out. And then the radiator scoop is going to be the biggest thing. I'm hoping this will keep it cool enough because obviously we're going to be towing with the trailer. So stay tuned for the next video because we are going to be towing a trailer. Don't know if it's going to be Banshees, camp trailer, fifth wheel, who knows. Let's take the Comanche to the gas station. Gauge cluster looks good though. You never seen anything like this?
No, what the f is it?
Cummins Banshee. Around for like 14 years.
What the hell?
So it's got a full 6BT Cummins motor in it, 47 RE trans, Ford 9-inch rear end, Volkswagen front suspension. Just came down to get some diesel, you know?
Alright. I just thought I'd ask because it's safe.
So when I pulled in and I seen you, I was like, oh, for sure he's gonna stop.
Yeah, I haven't seen anything like this in my entire life.
Well, she's a little low on fuel, believe it or not. How funny is that? Pull in, I seen the officer and I was like, oh my gosh. First thing he says, he rolls up and he's like, what the F is that thing? I was like, oh, can I record you? So that was pretty sick. He said, just be careful on the streets. Well, we'll see how the cup holder works on this. And then we gotta get home because the officer said, you know, take it back home. You know, when I was in the gas station, I thought this was a pretty good idea. I thought it'd fit perfect. We got the 1 liter of cola. Yeah, it'll ride, right? Kind of shaking. Alright, the cup holder's working. Well, successful mission to the gas station and back. Got some diesel fuel and a drink. Now I'm thinking, for part of the street legal kit, we need to make a cup holder. You know, just be cruising down State Street, sipping the drink.